So I want to talk about something that comes up constantly in clinical research, and honestly, I think it gets treated backwards more often than not. GCP compliance. Good clinical practice. Here's what I see a lot of: teams treating it like a thing you prepare for. Monitoring visits coming up, let's make sure the binder's current, let's reconcile the CRFs, let's make sure everyone remembers the protocol version we're on. And look, I understand why that happens. Sites are busy. Coordinators are managing multiple protocols. There's a lot of moving pieces. But the monitoring visit isn't when compliance happens. The monitoring visit is when someone else checks whether compliance happened. Those are really different things. What I've come to understand, and this is shaped by both my clinical background and my time in the Air Force, is that GCP has to be a daily operating standard, not a periodic review. And when I say daily, I mean, you document concurrent with the visit. You don't hold adverse event information until you have time to compile it. You don't wait until the monitor asks about a discrepancy to address it. Let me give you a concrete example. Informed consent. A lot of teams treat consent as a single event: the participant signs the form at enrollment, done. But consent is an ongoing process. If the protocol gets amended, you may need to reconsent. If the participant's situation changes significantly, there may be a conversation to document. The form isn't the consent. The conversation and the documentation of it, that's the consent. And here's the thing about adverse event reporting that I think matters a lot: the accuracy of AE data isn't just a regulatory obligation. It's the safety signal that the trial is designed to capture. If you underreport or delay, you're not just creating a finding risk, you're actually corrupting the dataset that the whole study is built to produce. I work across orthopedics, oncology, and hepatology. The disease areas are different. The patient populations are different. What doesn't change is the GCP framework. It's the constant. And when you genuinely internalize it instead of treating it as a checklist, you start seeing it as the structure that makes the research credible. Which is the whole point. If you want to talk more about specific GCP compliance practices, documentation standards, or what audit-ready actually looks like in practice, I'll get into that in future videos.